Alright, for this quick video I'm going to show you guys how Google has now graduated the Superstars Lab. For those of you that were using it before, it's no longer a lab feature, it's now built in. Stars in general in Google are kind of like flagging something in your old mail. It kind of just denotes something is maybe important or something you want to go back to. So if I look in my email list here and I have this email from Diane, if I want to star it, I go to the left and I click on the star icon. That star icon turns yellow. Once it's turned yellow, I can click over here in the starred label on the label list on the left, and anything starred is now going to show up in that starred label. It's just a fancy built-in label is all. But Google has taken it a step further now. Now you can categorize your stars with different colored stars or different styled stars. And it is built in. Again, it used to be a lab, but now it is a built-in feature. And to access this new built-in feature, we need to go to the gear in the upper right-hand corner and go down to Mail Settings. Once you're in Mail Settings, you want to look here in the General tab, and that should be the default in Mail Settings. Now we'll scroll down to where it says Stars. And what to look for here is it gives you in use and not in use. Any one of these colored icons here in these superstars can be used, but you need to highlight over them with your mouse, and as you do it turns into a hand instead of an arrow, and then you need to click down and drag it up. So if I click down on this purple question mark here and I drag it up into my in use section and drop it, see how it stays there? That means I can now use that as a star icon. And I'm going to go ahead and I'll pull up, let's go the yellow exclamation point as well. And I'll drag that up here and let it go. So now I have these ones in use and these ones here and not in use. So I'm going to go back into my email now. Oops, I do need to save changes. Any changes made here you do need to save. So I'm going to go to Save Changes at the very bottom and hit Save Changes. Alright, now if I want to star something and say I want to categorize it with that purple question mark. So this email from Diane that I starred. If I click really fast instead of just once and click through, now I can change my star icon to another. It's still going to show up when I click on starred on the left, but now it's just going to have a different icon. This is also a good way if you want to denote maybe something that is a task that when you finish there is a green check mark icon as well. So you can cycle through those stars until you get to that green check mark once you're finished with it. And that'll just kind of let you know that you're done there. So that's Superstars. It is now built in. It is no longer a lab. So just be aware that again it is in the gear in the upper right hand corner, Mail Settings, and then Starred.